There it is right there. See it popping up and it's gone. See it popping up and it's gone. Hi, welcome to Joanne Klee Marketing. We're going to show you some quick tips when you're editing your YouTube videos. So maybe you've got a little something that appeared on screen that you need to either gray out or have it disappear. So there it is right there. See it popping up and it's gone. See it popping up and it's gone. So we're going to show you how to black out or drop an image into your video so you can hide something in the background. Let's get started. For example, in this interview that we downloaded, you'll notice that my computer ran out of storage space. So as the video continues, do you see it there in the top right hand side of your screen? My computer ran out of storage space right over here. It gave me a really nice indicator and right bright front and center of the video. So I need to now hide this before we upload this great interview with the Maxine and Beanie children's book author, Carolyn Dennison Landro. So I'm going to go ahead and I love to expand out the video and see more or less where I'm working. I like to, there it is right there. See it popping up and it's gone. See it popping up and it's gone. So I'm going to just mark it here for myself. And now I actually need a similar black image just like this. You have two options. I'm going to show you option number one, which is take a screenshot. And I'm going to take a screenshot of roughly the square shape I need. There's my MacBook making a screenshot. I'm going down to the Finder and clicking Desktop, and there's the screenshot that I just took. And you'll notice it's automatically a PNG file, the Portable Network Graphics image, which is what we want to use in iMovie. That's option A. Option B is, let's say I want to drop a black rectangle image in. I'll search transparent image black rectangle and right-click on the image that appears, save image as. And it's a rectangle. I'm going to save it to my downloads folder, and it's, again, a PNG file. Okay, so I've done this already. The other thing is, let's say I want to drop in a graphic that's transparent of a kid's book or a children or something. Let's say I want to drop in, I think I have actually a cute little Maxine and Beanie, but just for fun, we're going to pick a stack of books as the replacement. So save image as, stack of books, and we're going to show you why you have to have it be transparent. And don't worry, this one's saving as a JPEG. So now it's in my downloads. I'm going to go ahead and open that stack of books, and I'm going to click the file, export, and I'm going to export this to a PNG file, which is really great. Now you'll notice there's this white background. So if I drop this white background into the video, it's going to show a white background. You don't believe me? Let's show you what that looks like. So I'm going to drop in a stack of books because that's what I want to cover my image. Oh no, the stack of books have just dropped in on top of the video and they are taking over that entire section right there. See it? And they're going to run just for under a second. So click this icon right here, the picture icon, and we're going to do it as a picture-in-picture. Oh my gosh, yes, that's how you do a picture-in-picture in video. And you move it around, but now you'll notice, even if I resize it, let's let it run a little bigger, I have that ugly white background. I don't want that ugly white background. Okay, it's also moving. You notice that little dissolve feature? We'll show you how to fix that. So let's go ahead and stretch out the image to cover my problem area. My problem area starts about here. So I marked it by clicking the video one time, click the image, and click it about to where we were here. And now I have no problem, but it's coming up over here again. You see it? Your disk is full. So you've got two ways. I can look that this section of the video you're in when I'm shrinking the video, this is about 24:51, so I need it to be 28 seconds. So I can click this, click info, and make this exactly how long I need the image to run, which you want to convert 4 minutes into seconds, 4 times 60 seconds. Let's see if I'm right. There it is. Look at that. So that's one way of doing it, but I still have a little tail end. So the easy way, folks, is just to drag this image when it turns into arrows all the way to the end. Boom shakalaka. But again, the problem with the white background. So get rid of it. Go back to your images. Double click if you're on a Mac. It's going to open the preview bar. I'm going to rock your world. You want to click this suitcase icon so we can open the cropping toolbar. And then you're going to click this Stardust pen right here in the top left-hand corner. It's called Instant Alpha. Alpha is for an original blank background. Think Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot. Yes, I've memorized that. Think Instant Alpha as the step 1. So normally with Instant Alpha, see how I click and that pinkish color's coming in? It's going to take everything white, everything highlighted, and it's going to turn it into a transparent background. And I just want to get it right into the books. There you go, click crop. It's going to convert the file. Now I have actually removed the books, which is not what I want to do. Delete. And that's deleted my background. Now with Instant Alpha, unfortunately, it leaves these little white spots. And if you want, you can go through and highlight those white spots and try and tighten it up without this thing happening right here. And click delete. That's a little cleaner, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to do File, Export. We want to make sure it's a PNG, and this is going to be my book stack cleaned up. Let's go back to our downloads. Book stack cleaned up. There it is, my book stack cleaned up. Do you see that file right here? Okay. So let's go back now to iMovie, shrinking my iMovie. I'm going to find my marker. There it is, roughly where I need to drop in my image. Open the downloads folder, get my clean book stack. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can do this. And again, we want to do picture in picture. So it's just an image here. And I could make this a book stack. I could make this a picture of Maxine and Beanie. Whatever you want to cover that up. You see what I've done there? Okay, so that is one option. The other option, which I'm not a fan of a book stack, but I'm showing you options, is going to be that plain black triangle. And let's go here. Clearly my triangle's taken over the whole interview. We're going to do picture in picture and move that up into the corner. Drag it out to the left a little and lift up so we don't have that white flossing, as I like to call it, at the top. Okay, I'm going to delete the books. Well, let's show you what the books look like compared to the black stack. They're going to bump the books. I'm just dragging them and bumping them. And then I'm going to show you, there it is. Okay, so we're going to press play. There's our little, your disc is almost full. And it's gone because of the black rectangle that we did to cover it. Black rectangle covers it. I'm going to drag it out a little to the left. I still see a problem here on the screen. Drag it left more. Problem on the screen is now eliminated. But you see that little, do you see it right there, that little blinking? So that is probably the moment that my MacBook slides it on screen, because MacBook does it. There it is. Yep, it's appearing. So we're going to go even further to the left before it slides on screen to get rid of that white blip. Great. And I'm going to delete my books and just take this image and drag it to the end. Great. And I like to make sure that the ending is correct. Bye.
The Adventures of Maxine and Beanie. Maxine makes a new friend.
There we go. We're going to change the audio. That'll be another video about Maxine and Beanie. We don't need that sound clip. That's from a previous video. So that's it. That's how we fixed a little glitch here in iMovie. So those are some tips and tricks that I hope you find useful along the way while you're working on your YouTube Kids videos. We know you're going to do a great job. Keep uploading, keep working hard. And don't forget, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and be sure to walk away from your computer for a few minutes every hour. Thanks for watching.